Hi, I'm Gene Bice and I'm with Jirehsupplies. Today I'm going to show you the Bose S1 Pro and its battery pack. I'm going to show you how to install the battery pack into the speaker. So we opened up the box and already opened the box to show you in a previous video what it looks like. So there's the battery. And to install it, I simply just turn the speaker upside down and take a Phillips screwdriver. There's 2 screws on the bottom that we want to remove. And the screws actually are made in a way that they don't come completely off, so you won't accidentally drop them and lose them. So you just unscrew it, lift the panel, and it pops right off. And there's where the battery goes into it. So you can see that it's notched in a particular way, so it only fits one way, and it snaps right into place, just like a laptop battery would. And once it's in place, just simply put the door back on, tighten down your 2 screws, and your Bose S1 Pro is almost ready to go. It's important to know that the battery is shipped in sleep mode, so it will not work instantly. So to wake it up so it will be functioning and work for you, it's important to know that you plug it into power, which we've already done. And once you turn the power on, that's how you wake the battery up. So it's important to know that the battery is shipped in sleep mode. Until you actually plug it up and power it up, the battery will appear that it doesn't work, but it's actually in sleep mode, so you'll be fine. So just power it up. Let it charge for several hours on your first initial charge to make sure that it is fully charged and ready to go. And then after that, it should, once it's plugged into power, it's always charging, and it should last about approximately 6 hours on a full charge. This is the Bose S1 Pro with a built-in battery pack that you add as an additional accessory. You can get both of these products at Jirehsupplies. Our phone number is 1-800-478-2591, and you can visit us at our website at jirehsupplies.com, which you should see below in this video. But it's www.jirehsupplies.com. Thank you and have a great day.